So is it too late to be a graphic designer in 2021? So a lot of people are struggling at the moment because of, the pandemic over the last few years. Some people lost their jobs, some people are moving to online, and a lot of the times when big changes happen in technology and things like that is that people shift careers, and a lot of people are coming to graphic design or want to know if graphic design is an option. And I truly believe anything is possible if you put in the hard work, if you believe in yourself, and if you take the right amount of action. For me personally, I do believe that you can become a graphic designer, but in reality, it will be a challenge because the thing is, there is oversaturation in the market. There's so many online marketplaces like Fiverr, 99 Designs, freelancer.com, bark.com. Like there's all these platforms, and so many people are trying to go on these platforms and make a quick buck or make a side income, which you can do 100%. But to make it sustainable, to be a full-time business owner or freelancer, it's gonna take a lot more work. The thing is, because it's so oversaturated, what tends to happen is that people start to compete on price, and people start lowering their prices in the market. So that's why some people are charging $5 or $10 on Fiverr. But realistically, how sustainable is that for your freelance business or career? It's not gonna do much. It might give you some quick cash, but at the end of the day, you're not gonna really build yourself. It's okay if you're starting out, do that free work or do that cheap work, whatever you have to do to build yourself. But there's 3 ways if you really want to stand out as a designer. Number 1 is you need to build your network. So start partnering or collaborating with local agencies. See if you can connect with creative directors. I remember I did an internship, and my friend who was I was working for, she was my manager at the time, she was my creative director, and we're still friends today for 5 years, and she sends me work, she sends me opportunities, we still chat, we jump on podcasts and things like that, and that tactical relationship has really helped me build my network. But you also need to go to events, so if you can go online or offline, then do both if you can. There's a cool conference that's coming up in June. It's in Brisbane. I'm trying to remember the name, but it's a graphic design conference, and I just bought a ticket to stream online. And what I can actually do is I can stream, and if my friend has a ticket, I can watch it. Maybe we can watch it together on Zoom, and then we can stream it or whatever, or go to your friend's house. That's a good idea. Or if you want to, some of them are flying out in person to that conference. And the thing is, if you go to a conference in person, you can meet people, talk to people, engage with people, and you really have to get out of your comfort zone. Even if you're shy, go with a friend or do something. Go to a local meetup instead, a smaller conference or a smaller meetup with people that have businesses or entrepreneurs or startups instead of just design focus. Try and mix it up, but build your network online, offline, because it's going to open doors and allow you to get more opportunities as you develop and grow as a designer. Number 2 is you need to put out content. When I say content, you need to give value for free. Don't hide your process, your secrets. Just share what you're learning. There's a cool book by Austin Kleon. It's called Show Your Work. And he talks about you need to show your gift. Share everything with the world. Don't just hide it or be scared of what people will think. You need to put yourself out there. And once you do that consistently, you'll start getting noticed for something, for that illustration style or that brand style or that logo style you do. And the only way is to take action. So put out content, try and focus it on certain target market instead of designers, because a lot of people, they create content for designers, but if you want to make money and get clients, then create design tips and talk about branding, how it helps your business, or color psychology, or how design can increase sales, etc. Show examples or case studies or things from your experience and talk about that. Whether pick a platform on LinkedIn or YouTube or Instagram, choose what type of content you're going to do and deliver that content, because that's really, really going to help you out. And then number 3 is you want to position yourself as a professional in the market. So you get social proof by, number 1, putting out the content, also getting testimonials from clients. If you don't have clients, you can do a fake brief, or I recommend reaching out to some friends who own businesses, Go in Facebook groups, talk to startups. You can also reach out to friends and family. If you've got uncles or aunties that do business, then talk to them and see if you can work with them on a project. And this will build your credibility and your social proof on social media. So when you're building that online presence and you've got reviews, then it's going to show, okay, this guy is, or this person is legit, they're professional. And also make sure that your messaging is targeted to a clear target audience. Do you want to work for health businesses, or maybe personal training and coaching businesses, or maybe it's just like tech startups? Find out what you want to do and find out who the user is, make content for them, and then build your network. That's what you need to do to stand out in 2021 as a graphic designer, because you need to evolve with the times. You develop your skill set, learn business skills, learn communication, and you're gonna grow and be a full-time freelancer. It will take time and you need patience. I'll be honest, it's not easy, it's challenging, but you have to love the game, love the process. So if you do that, then you're gonna get the results. If you're a beginner or just starting out, or maybe it's overwhelming for you, then you can check out Skillshare. I've got plenty of graphic design courses on there. If you click the link in the description, you'll get 14 days free. You can watch all my courses. I've got over 20 of them, and you can learn about brand identity, freelancing. You can learn a bit about illustration, texturing, all the key skills that you need to grow as a graphic designer. You can check it out, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for your time. Remember to smash the subscribe button, because I post content every week about graphic design, branding, and business. So make sure you do that. And remember to smash the like button, because it really supports the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.